my lovely viewers, this is Hello World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to make text strike through in Google Chat. So for this case we have to open any kinds of mail account. Here I have open my mail account. Here we have to go to the chat options, Google app chat. I have used. Now here I will go strike. So when we not found anything, so click here. So formatting options, so click here. So see here we will get the lots of formatting options. So here we want to this strike through, so click here. So when you write anything, hello, see the thing has been working in this way. So now we will send. See, the thing is revealed here. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.